Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to dispute a collection on Transunion. Now it's very easy. You can come to this exact URL, scroll down and click on start dispute, or what you need to do, let me show you. Come up here, transunion.com, hover over your credit, and then you'll get this option. It says credit disputes. Okay, click on this. And then what I need you to do is once you redirect to this page, you can come here and create your account, okay? And then determine what to dispute, in this case, a collection. And if you have any supporting documents, you can add that to your dispute. It will help you with your request and get it done much sooner. Just follow the steps, and once you submit, you can check the status right there as well. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.